First fish of the day. Got the skunk off the boat.
Awesome.
Good fish, pound and a half maybe.
Where that gonna cast that fuck? Ah, that's it.
There you go. I'll watch you catch this fish.
Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
There she goes. Start reeling it back. Start reeling it back. She's on there. You got her?
Yep.
You got her. You didn't feel it though, did you?
That's a good one too. Oh boy.
You didn't feel it either, did you? I saw where she. Uh-oh. Come on. Just bring it back to the net. There you go.
Oh boy. That's her.
Yep.
That's her.
Yep.
Thank
I
you.
told you she was on there.
That's her. She's gonna look good and grab.
Let's take a look at her.
First fish of the year.
Happy
Real
New
good
Year.
one.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. That's the way to start the new year off.
Welcome to 2026.
You were gonna watch me catching me, sure enough.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when she hit it, I knew you didn't feel it because she hit you. You was coming up, and she hit you coming up more.
Can't get no takers. Like some big ones on there.
You don't get to be big by being stupid. But they do get to be big by being greedy. I don't want them to be greedy. Right on top of them. Here we go. We'll do the intro when you catch this one. There she goes. Stop falling, stop falling. Come on up, come on up. There's one that reacted right to you. Here she comes, here she comes. Stay up above them. Keep on reeling. See, you stop reeling.
Oh,
you stop reeling.
Boy, she had it too.
Yeah, but you stopped reeling, and that's what backed her off.
Oh man. Okay. Kemp. It's tutorial today, boy. I gotta learn how to catch them.
Yeah, when they say they ready, don't turn them off. Let them come on. See, like I'm right down there, and now I'm gonna just start coming through them, and we'll see what happens. Oh, there's one. Back up.
Oh.
Still one there. Keep it coming up. Keep it. Yeah. She might have had it. Look the way she come off of it, she might have had it. Fish or that was a tree limb. That's a fish.
Oh yeah. Net.
No, I don't think so. No, he need that for her. What you keeping today? That's small.
That's small.
She's a baby.
But her name Fish. She bit. Thank you. Thank
She
you,
got
baby.
on the boat. Go on out of here now, get. There she go. Come on, Cletus. Come on, Cletus. Come on. I might need net on this one. Oh yes, sir. I probably could have flipped it, but wow. Oh, wow.
That's not a flipping fish. Not really.
Can't get the hook out the neck. You can't get the neck. All right, got her out of there. Whew, that's another good fish. She's gonna qualify as a big Shirley.
Oh yeah. somebody. Come on, somebody.
Start coming back. See what comes through. Keep on coming back. Keep on coming back. Keep on coming back. There she go. Keep on coming. There she go. Got her! Got her! Got her!
Yes, sir. Boy, you're a good coach, I can tell you. Oh, shoot.
She ain't big, but she won.
Ain't big, but she bit.
Yeah, make them keep on chasing you. Once you stop, they stop.
Let's see. That was a time I'd have kept you.
She bleeding, but she bleeding cool. Oh, that's me right there. I thought that was you. That's you right there behind me. That's you right there? Okay.
I think so. Yeah. Well, I might be in front of you. I think I'm in front of you.
Got that fish though? It don't matter where you are. You in your fish mouth.
That's a good one now.
This intro here. Ooh. There we go.
Let's go.
What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in splashing.
Fishing.
Wow.
Fishing.
So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale. We are out here fishing with CB Kemp. This is his first time fishing in 2026. So happy New Year, bro.
Hey, man, it's been a great day so far.
Yeah, we put a couple fish in the boat. So, folks, this is going to be my last trip for a little bit. I'm getting ready to be out of commission for a few weeks because I have to have hip replacement surgery, and it is long overdue. So, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who subscribes to this channel. I'll be back in a few weeks with a brand new hip. This is my first one. I'm gonna get the second one done probably later on this year. What you got to say to the folks, man?
Hey, it's a great day to be on the water, and let's go get them.
There we go. Oh, wait, we got to say that together. So, it's a great day to be on the water. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. I'm trying to get down to them. Find my bait again, though. I think it's me all the way over there. Nope. Okay, see. Yeah, there, right there. Yep. Right where I want to be now. And there's a fish coming up. Are you coming up? Yep, she came up.
Got him on the line.
All right, you crossed my line. And I'm gonna need to. Oh, that's
boy, that's gonna be a mess. All right.
Well, we'll worry about that later. Get the net.
Fish.
Yeah. See how deep she was? She come up. She ain't even fighting no more. Ooh,
oh, that's a fish. Got that big old mouth on, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
That's that good one that we were talking about.
Yeah. 35 feet deep is where she was.
That's gracious life. What a fish.
There we go.
That's what we call it. That's about 15 inches long, probably.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get.
While you do that, I'll work on it. I'll work on it.
I'm gonna drop. Should I drop my line in the water?
Yeah. That's fine.
Yeah, out your way. Ooh wee. That you? I was gonna say that's a fish on. You trying to let him get away? Grab that net, I'll get it for you.
There you go. There you go. Pretty good.
Yep, I seen it when she come and got you there, Kemp.
I lost it. But she's a good fish.
Yeah, she thought you was waiting on her to leave.
All right. Good fish.
Yes, sir.
Good fish. Color caught one. Slim felt good though.
You know what that means.
All right, that thing broke too easy.
Huh?
That broke too easy there.
Yeah, but you know what that means.
Time for a shimmy.
Yes, sir.
First one of the day, I don't feel bad.
Woo! Woo!
First one of the day, I don't feel too bad.
That was a good hook set there, man. Had me excited.
It felt good. It felt good.
All right, YouTube, that's going to wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. The bite was slow today, but we caught some good sized fish. Kemp, what you got to say, man?
Yeah, it was an awesome day on the water. First trip this year and caught some fish, so I'm satisfied.
So, as I said in the intro, folks, this is going to be it for me. I got hip replacement surgery. I don't know what I'm going to do for these next 3 weeks or a month or so that I'm out, but in the meantime, y'all go ahead and continue this fight to rid the world of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. As always, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits the like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, CB Kemp.
Yes, sir.
Catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
See you later.